Today, our sense of safety and security is at a low in almost every country, including the richest countries, despite years of upwards development success. Those benefiting from some of the highest levels of good health, wealth, and education outcomes are reporting even greater anxiety than 10 years ago. Despite global wealth being higher than ever before, a majority of people are feeling apprehensive about the future. The emergence of this frightening sense of insecurity in the modern man today had already been noticed by Carl Jung many decades ago. As a practicing psychologist and keen observer of the Western world, Jung noticed that many people in his day were afflicted by debilitating feelings of insignificance, inadequacy, and hopelessness. Jung examined this issue and came to conclude that such feelings were caused by what he called a spiritual problem. He believed that the emergence of this spiritual problem coincided with the declining influence that traditional religions have had on our societies over the past several centuries. This sudden shift in our psyches forced countless people to face the existential dilemmas of human life without the helpful crutch of religious dogma. In addition to the rise of secularism, Jung suggested that the development of modern mass society also played a significant role in the emergence of the spiritual problem. The insecurity of the individual in a mass society is partially a function of the sheer quantity of people which surround him. The bigger the crowd, the more insecure the individual feels. With the growth of modern society, Jung didn't forget to mention the rise of rational and scientific mindset, which accompanied the Industrial Revolution and over time saturated more and more corners of society. He predicted that in order to model and subsequently remake society based on scientific and rational principles, the uniqueness of the individual will be negated in favor of statistical averages, and the redesign of society enacted by a group of elites or technocrats who are going to view humans as nothing but abstractions, homogeneous social units to be managed and manipulated. We ought not to underestimate the psychological effect of the statistical world picture. It thrusts aside the individual in favor of anonymous units that pile up into mass formations. As a social unit, he has lost his individuality and become a mere abstract number in the Bureau of Statistics. He can only play the role of an interchangeable unit of infinitesimal importance. Do subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to share your favorite quote from Carl Jung in the comment section.